Hello my friends. Yesterday when I started to build this simple jig, I didn't expect such cool result. And definitely this project should be developed. That's why I have built this one. So let's look what is it here. This is the same plywood box like first one, but with some improvements. I have 2 rows of holes here. 2 rows because if a workpiece will be so small like this one, I plan to cover top row with scotch tape or something else. But the main improvement is inside. I have a long screw here and some kind of wooden piston. This way I can cut off holes which I don't need to use now. This is pretty simple construction of piston. It's a rubber, piece of rubber between 2 pieces of plywood. Screws and furniture nut here with some glue. Let's look here. It's a piece of thread, 6 mm, 1 screw, fixed by these long nuts and glue. Let's try how it works with vacuum cleaner. So this way I can adjust it for any size. And this workpiece don't has perfect surface. It is not especially straight and has some strips from bandsaw blade. Nevertheless, you have seen, jig holds it well. So good like this one, but enough to cut it by this way. I have some kind of lock for guide rails. Let's look closer. I have other fans here. It could be replaced by this one. It's a fence for low pieces. This profile has some stair and I can use it for this jig. As you can see, absolutely no play here. So today's experiment is finished. This jig can be adjusted for any size of workpieces. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.